What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we need to load up these buckets over here onto the front bucket of this backhoe. I'm not really sure how we're about to do this, but we're gonna figure it out. Stay tuned and we'll get this done. Alright, well that ended up working out pretty good. I got both of those in there. So that's cleaned up. They're no longer sitting there and everything's all put back together. So I'd say that was a success.